Garlic is a superfood with life-changing health benefits. For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on it as a natural remedy for various ailments. But here's the catch: most people aren't eating garlic the right way. In fact, simple mistakes can cancel out its benefits or even harm your body. Let's explore why garlic is so powerful and how to use it correctly by avoiding 6 common mistakes. 1. Eating too much raw garlic. Raw garlic is often praised as the purest form, but consuming too much can irritate your digestive system. Eating more than 1 or 2 raw cloves a day may cause stomach pain, acid reflux, or a burning sensation in your mouth and throat. Treat garlic like a powerful medicine. A small dose goes a long way. 2. Not letting garlic activate. When garlic is chopped or crushed, it releases an enzyme called allinase, which produces allicin, the compound responsible for its health benefits. However, this process takes time. If you eat or cook garlic immediately after preparation, you miss out on its full potency. To maximize its power, let crushed garlic sit for about 10 minutes before using it. 3. Cooking garlic at high temperatures. While cooking garlic adds flavor to dishes, high heat, above 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, destroys allicin, significantly reducing its benefits. Instead, add garlic toward the end of cooking or sprinkle raw, crushed garlic on top of finished dishes to retain its health properties. 4. Using processed garlic products. Convenient options like garlic powder or pre-minced garlic lose much of their active compounds during processing. They often contain additives and preservatives that can negate garlic's benefits. Fresh garlic is always the better choice. If time is an issue, prep fresh garlic in advance and store it in the fridge for up to a week. 5. Ignoring your body's signals. Although garlic is a superfood, it isn't suitable for everyone. If you have a sensitive stomach, ulcers, or are on blood-thinning medication, garlic may cause irritation or complications. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. 6. Using old or low-quality garlic. Freshness is key to garlic's potency. Garlic that is old, dried out, or sprouting loses its medicinal properties and can develop a bitter taste. Choose firm, fresh bulbs, and whenever possible, opt for organic garlic to avoid harmful chemicals. A powerful garlic remedy. To fully enjoy garlic's health benefits, try this simple, ancient remedy. 1. Crush 3 cloves of fresh garlic and let them sit for 10 minutes. 2. Mix in the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey. Let the mixture sit for 20 minutes to combine. Take 1 tablespoon daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This remedy is excellent for boosting immunity, fighting infections, and supporting heart health. By avoiding these common mistakes and incorporating remedies like this one, you can unlock garlic's full potential and enjoy its transformative health benefits.